everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make New York style vegan cheesecake with strawberries. But now let's get started and we will be starting with the base. To make it you are going to need 160 grams of all-purpose flour, 120 grams of vegan butter, 3 tablespoons of sugar and a pinch of salt. Place all ingredients in a bowl and mix them until you get nice and even consistency. If necessary, you can fold it with your hands. At the end you need to get something like this. Place prepared dough in a cake tin, which is about 8 inches, and even it out by pressing with your fingers. Once that's done, let it cool down in the fridge for a while and let's continue with the filling. You are going to need 580 grams of silken tofu. Apart from silken tofu, you can also replace with firm tofu. I'm going to use 2 packs of these. I'm not quite sure if this is the standard size, but if you're going to use a little bit less or more, it will still be fine. 200 grams of vegan cream cheese, and I am going to use Violife. 100 grams of sugar, juice of 1 lemon, as well as lemon zest, 1 teaspoon of vanilla sugar, and 60 grams of cornstarch. Place all ingredients in a food processor and process for a couple of minutes until you get nice and creamy texture. Set your tofu filling aside and now let's continue with the strawberry filling. You are going to need 300 grams of fresh strawberries, 3 tablespoons of sugar and 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. Cut strawberries in small pieces and heat them in the pan on low heat. Add sugar and cook for a couple of minutes until they become soft and juicy. Add cornstarch, mix it in and cook for another 2 to 3 minutes until mixture becomes thick. And now let's continue with the cake. Add a bit of tofu mixture in the cake tin and from time to time add a couple of tablespoons of strawberry filling. Repeat process until you have filled all the filling in the cake tin. And now let's bake it for 60 minutes in 180 Celsius. After baking, it will seem to be a little bit runny and soft, but let it cool down completely while it's in the cake tin for about 4 hours and it will become much harder. I suggest to place it in the fridge for a couple of hours as well, so it becomes nice and cold. Take your cake out of the tin and decorate as you wish. I am going to use fresh strawberries which are chopped in small pieces. Sprinkle them all over the cake and cut it in slices. And here is our vegan New York style cheesecake. I really hope you like this video and you're going to try out this recipe. You can find all the details below. Click like, and if you haven't, subscribe to my channel and see you later. Bye!